Hello there once again. Today I'm going to be making baby's vegetable puree. This is a puree that you can make and add to a variety of meals that you make for your baby. It's an easy way to always have vegetables handy which you can put in different meals that you make for your baby. Vegetables are important for babies, for growing babies from 6 months and above. So once your baby clocks 6 and is ready for solids, you can introduce vegetables to their food. And this is one of them. So I'm going to be doing that today, and I hope you stay back and watch. My name is Choma, and this is Mommy's Yum. So I've got my vegetables here. I'm using just 4 vegetables here today. I have the carrot, the pepper, the tomatoes, and the green beans. And you can add any other vegetables that you want. I've put a garlic there also just for flavor. You can also add ginger if you want. So what I'm doing now is to just cut my vegetables and clean it. Like the peppers, I'm going to deseed the peppers as you can see. Just clean it up. And then I'm going to scrape the back of my carrots. Yeah, it's always good to scrape the back of the carrot because carrot is one of the vegetables among the dirty dozens which can harbor some what do you call it, germs as a result of the whatever that is used in during the planting. After that, I'm going to wash everything, as you can see, wash them clean, and then cut it into smaller bits, not too small, just into chunks that can be able to blend when I'm ready to blend it. I also cut my tomatoes after washing. I just wanted to remove the seeds and the pulp. I feel that is not really good for babies, so I always get that out if I can, just for this purpose. Now I'm going to be steaming my vegetables. I'm adding my water in the pot and I'm going to be using a steamer. Just a simple one which you can just put into the pot and then steam your vegetables. If you don't have a steamer, that is not a problem. All you can do is to add as little water as possible so that you don't get too much water when you are cooking it. Just so if you don't have a steamer, put the vegetables directly into the pot and add just a little bit of water, not as much as I added when I'm steaming it. And then I'm going to steam this for about 5 to 7 minutes. I don't want it to be too soft. I just want them to retain all their nutrients. So as you can see, they are still all looking fresh and green. The green one is green. So it's just a little bit of steaming to make sure that it can be blendable. So I'm blending it now, just putting it into my blender. And then I'm going to add a bit of butter. You can add butter or oil. It's always good to add it because it helps, especially with the carrot, with the absorption of these vegetables. So butter is good for babies. And then add a little bit of water to make sure that it blends well. And voila, that's it. Allow it to blend until it turns into a puree. And yes, that's it. We have it here. That's the vegetable puree, all done. So you have it like this. Some people actually feed their babies the vegetable like this, but you can add it to the different foods that we make. It makes it easy to just make yam, potato, plantain. Once you boil it, you can just cook the vegetable inside it, and then you have your baby's food all ready. So you can just put this in storage containers. This is a one way you can do it. And then the best way, I feel this is the easiest, especially for younger babies, is to put in ice cubes like this. Once you put it in ice cubes, all you do is to freeze it. And when you want to feed your baby, you can always take out one ice cube or two ice cubes and then allow it to melt and then add it to your baby's food and heat it a bit. And you've got a nutritious and delicious meal for your baby. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up again. Support Mommy Siom to grow. If you've got a comment, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section. If you want anything that you want me to answer, or you want any suggestion, any video that you want me to make, don't forget to also send me a message or leave a comment below. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.